Good morning guys, good morning. It's a lovely day. Life is abundant. Look at that. Look at that. So for you guys who are new to my channel, and yeah, what else? I do computer repair, I do server maintenance, server repair, I do hard disk data recovery. See, it's good early in the morning. I do lots of walking. It's good for your health anyway, right? What's good about waking up early in the morning? You're the first one to wake up. Wake up. I haven't had my breakfast yet. I'm going to the nearest coffee shop and have my breakfast. And it's early in the morning. You can see the road is empty. Yeah, so that's what I do for a living. I do, yes, some other jobs, many years now. So what are you guys doing for a living? So basically, yeah, I know you are YouTubers. You record video and upload to YouTube. That's fun. I don't have any idea. Some people ask me that I have any idea. I don't have it. Why I don't post in IG? Basically IG can be edited. You can smile. You can, yeah, you can fake it basically, but not in YouTube, right? So I prefer YouTube for you guys who posted, who have an IG account. So it's good. It's good. Yeah, you can have an IG account, all that. But I don't. I have an IG account, but I don't use it a lot. I prefer YouTube, right? It's a video. I'm Azri Rich. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.